Hello everyone! Today we are enjoying the guided walking tour of Palermo, but we have something special. We have 4 beautiful Mercedes minivans. They will assist us for the first part of the tour. And this is the beautiful Massimo Opera House. That's the third largest opera house in Europe, a highlight, a masterpiece in Palermo. And those are our beloved Sicily lovers.
From Italy to the US, I think so, you know.
And today we are traveling to the westernmost point of Sicily. We stopped for a while in the beautiful promenade in Castellammare del Golfo. We are moving to Erice and we are traveling by a beautiful luxury motor coach.
Yeah, that's what they have in California. It's got something in
Yeah, theirs is
California.
very good. You can't, I mean, once you, it's based on your purchase price.
We are walking through the beautiful narrow streets of Erice. Erice is a gem. It offers breathtaking views in the west coast of Sicily. And it's included in all our group tours of Sicily and highly recommended in all your private tours of Sicily.
And talk, so you have the chocolate.
Allora, specifichiamo anche questo. E voilà.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Vedi che se non te ne tocca ce l'ho ancora lì, dico, quindi sono pronto per un evento.
Best one. Oh, this is the right way to prepare.
Grazie, chef.
That's why I got him to do it.
Avrete
Give it up for Joanna! Woo! And of course, the day in Erice is enriched by the wonderful family experience at Chef Vito's house. This is the key element of the day. So, thanks for watching. Feel free to contact us if you want to join one of our small group tours of Sicily or if you want us to put together your custom private tour of Sicily. Bestthings-to-do-in-sicily.com. Ciao!